Can you make mayonnaise without mustard and without lemon juice? Because I'm allergic to both. I don't know, so let's give it a try. As always, I'm using the whole raw egg. And for those of you that are saying, you only are supposed to use the yolk. Yeah, are you new here? I already know that. I use the whole egg, and if you just want to use the yolk, go for it. Now, all the usual ingredients are being used here. 1 cup oil, 1 whole raw egg, salt, instead of lemon juice, using apple cider vinegar, and then just no mustard. So this is just a 4-ingredient recipe. And I was shocked to see it actually work. Look at that emulsifying. It looks so good. This part is always so satisfying. I love it. This time I decided not to edit out any of the emulsifying process because I thought maybe you guys would want to see the whole thing this time. I absolutely do not pull up until that very bottom part of the jar has already turned to mayonnaise. And it looked like this worked. So if anybody has any other variations they'd like to see me try, let me know in the comments.